faculty members, guests, and dear students. As Jani sir has explained that today is the National Science Day. Sorry, National Space. So, Government of Gujarat, especially Education Department, has also decided that in government institutions we should also celebrate and have certain programs. So one of the programs that we are organizing today is we are going to discuss about the ISRO's space achievements. All of you might be knowing what is ISRO and how it has been established. How many of you have seen the series Rocket Boys 1 and 2? So if you have not seen, I know all of you are seeing one or the other web series or some social media contents where you are spending a lot of time. So I recommend that you should see this web series Rocket Boys Part 1 as well as Part 2 to see how or in what circumstances they have reached this stage. आपने पिछले साल जो देखा, इससे पहले मून मिशन 2 था फेल हुआ, लेकिन थर्ड अटेम्प्ट पे हमको सक्सेस मिला. Even you might have seen that in second phase, for how many meters we have failed. याद है कहाँ तक हमारा कांटेक्ट था, उसके बाद कांटेक्ट टूट गया. Especially communication system was not working. Almost 500 to 1000 meters. So you can imagine the mission was successful for 99.99%. But for that 0.01% the mission failed. And we got success in the third phase. Mission Moon, that is part 3, you can say. So how it has started, you might have seen the photographs where some of the parts of the rocket are taken on bicycle, on bullock cart during those days. And these scenes are basically shown in this series. So to remind you that these, whatever achievements are there, these are not, you can say, you should not take it granted. By hard work of so many people, we could achieve these feats. And that's why we should celebrate and commemorate the contribution of those people. So if you see National Space Day on 23rd of August, we are celebrating because of these two scenes that you are seeing. One is the launch vehicle, the second one is
land.
At which point it has landed on Moon. It has landed, and that point has been given name later on. Landed on Shiv Shakti point. So it's not that for GK also it is important, but you should not remember it only for GK. These things we have achieved after so many years, and you can say sweat and blood of a lot of people. So if we talk about ISRO, it has started way back in 60s. So after Second World War, we know because of Cold War, there was a situation where the world was divided into two parts, and India was struggling to develop their space program because of this Cold War. क्योंकि जो बड़ी कंट्रीज थी वो टेक्नोलॉजी देना नहीं चाहती, या फिर जो देश ऐसी टेक्नोलॉजी डेवलप कर रहे हैं उनको भी करने नहीं देंगे. तो in those environment they have succeeded. और हम यहाँ तक पहुँचे. तो that's why we should commemorate these days. This is a history. Initially it was known as INCOSPAR. Then later on it has been renamed as ISRO, which is the part of Department of Science. So Government of India, Department of Science, इसके अंदर आता है ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization.